These are my favorite Costco dog treats that I always get for my boys. Along with the treats, I also get some supplements and vitamins for them. And the prices are unbeatable. Let's get started. Number one is the broth bones. These are beef flavor, they're amazing for their teeth. You can see the ingredients here. Second is the bacon nutty. These are peanut butter and bacon flavored. Third is this chicken and apple recipe sausage bites, and they are amazing, made with real chicken. You can see the ingredients over here as well. Fourth are these dog's chicken jerky treats that are made out of real chicken and some veggies. You can see the ingredients here as well. Fifth are these amazing jerky treats, and they are made with chicken breast recipe, and you can see the ingredients over here as well. My dogs love them. These are chicken recipe chews, and they're a little bigger. They come 10 pieces in each pack, and they are amazing and they last very long. The last one are these bully high chews, and these are amazing. They are beef and they last for hours. Now these are the supplements, and these are for bone supplement. These are Paws probiotic bites, as well as allergy and immune bites, and these are very cheap in Costco compared to other stores. I've also moved on to Frontline Plus for my dogs for the flea and tick protection. These are very cheap as compared to the other medications, and that saves you a lot of money. Thanks for watching.